Eric's in the jumperoo. Having a good jump this morning. Eric. Hi. Are you having a fun jump in the jumperoo? Yeah. You have very good form. Let's see those little legs underneath in action. Oh, there they are. In the jumperoo. Having a good jump. There he is. Hello, jumperoo boy. Hello, jumperoo boy. Eric. Hello, darling. How are you? Cat fine? He's looking at something. Eric, are you falling asleep in the jumperoo? Wake up!